that the social and economic innovations, the GPS, the Bluetooth enabled smartphones, we started using it for the contact tracing, the social distancing. Nobody has ever thought of that. Work from home culture started building. Recently, I was hearing some interaction where they said the new designing and construction will be not for the houses or for the buildings. The people will be looking the houses within the office, the houses within the offices instead of the office within the houses also. So the priority will start changing. Everybody now is needing its own space to look into and start their office activities from a corner of a house, designing of the houses in a different way. And this all is bringing a behavior change in us. Lot many psychologists started working on this, how this behavior change is going to address in coming times also. Economic policies are being reinvented. Demand for cloud services, e-commerce, supply chain logistics, the automation, all these started changing their dynamics. Health infrastructure, public health, these all people starting reinventing them. There was a debate in which we started thinking, if India has come a couple of what you call the months back, or about 2 years back, if you can say, when there's a digital revolution and we are talking about the digital India, the government policy says that let us teach at least one person from every family on the digital inclusion. Do you know the people started looking into, if God forbid somebody has a small problem, health problem, is there any neighborhood doctor or neighborhood paramedical staff who can address this? So can't we create the paramedical staff to our next door neighbors also, so that in these type of emergencies these skills can be utilized in emergency point of views? So along with the digital India, the health India, with producing these type of skills to our next door, will be the next wave of coming. I'm expecting that very soon. So companies, the government, they started putting this inclusion into a different form. So these new realities is about now is to collaborate. The reason being, what I have done in my research lab, how to bring it into the real application. If Maruti can offer itself to manufacture the need of the hour, the ventilators, it is a sort of collaboration. So everybody now started collaborating, creating a sustainable solutions for everybody. So this will be a new norm. Now knowledge sharing around the world is happening. Companies are sharing some of their proprietary knowledge. Recently we heard about that the ventilator design has been put by one of the companies so that the people start manufacturing there. They don't want to keep that patents with them during these crises also. The different AutoCAD programs where you can design the couple of things have been made free, so that this opportunity should not be wasted and people start working on this. So these opportunities which we are looking into, where the innovations requiring some regulations also for the endorsement. Lot many innovations came forward, but they can't be implemented because somebody has to endorse them. I have seen a couple of people came with the innovative masks, the the ventilators, but the authorities who has to endorse them for making it applicable or to use it, either it is an invasive or a non-invasive product in the healthcare, the lot many regulations are required, and that speed is required. When you are talking about the data which we are using across us, it has to be analyzed at the speed of light. So these innovation has to be analyzed and to be endorsed at the speed of light during the crisis also. So new norms will build up, which is going to create those type of ecosystems where anything which has been dwelled, it has to be accelerated for its application, while the endorsement of different authorities, the regulators, for their use, the IP factors, all these things are going to build in slowly in this one. So when we start talking about all these things, when I say that the collaboration started coming, let me discuss with you, I mean, how these ecosystems which has been built by the government of India in the last 3 or 4 years